was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on.
This morning I'm going to make me some salmon and some broccoli. I know it's weird to eat it for breakfast. So let me show y'all. We are almost getting settled in. Almost getting settled in. As you can see, we still have pictures to hang. We still have boxes. But we are making progress. I'm telling y'all, moving is like, oh, I'm just going to clean the back of this off. And then I'm going to cook me. I might make it lemon pepper this time. Maybe. Let me move this over here some. Yeah, I'm thinking I may make it lemon pepper. Since I always do like Old Bay. Get out the kitchen, Lou. And we are trying to, for Luna, trying to like just keep her out of the kitchen so she don't even get in the habit of coming in the kitchen. Even though, you know, she goes everywhere in the house. However, we need one space where it's like a safe zone without Lou. If that makes sense. This salmon, okay, I'm gonna say better not be bad. I just bought this yesterday. Okay. Now I'm just gonna descale the salmon, and then I'll show you guys how I'll season it. Alright, so I decided to, like I said, cut it up, and I decided to bake some, and then I'm going to make this, I'm going to use this sriracha teriyaki sauce. There you go. And I'm going to mix that with some broccoli and some cauliflower rice for mine. But I'm going to bake the rest of the pieces. I only need probably around 1 or 2. So I just rinsed it off. And I may just use 1 for the teriyaki. And I'm going to season this and parsley and Italian seasoning. No need for salt because the Cajun seasoning gives it salt. It's no more of that one. There we go. Okay. Let's find some parsley. It's jumping out at me. Whoa! Thank you. Oh, it's cold in here this morning. We turned the heat off last night because my daughter keeps turning the heat up to like 80 at night. Wake up in a pool of sweat. Lemon pepper or buttery garlic only. Alright, we're going to put this in the oven and let this cook. Alright, y'all, I can't find my avocado oil, so this is going to be the next thing. Cajun seasoning. garlic powder. That part and let it cook for a little bit. All right, I found my Italian seasoning. I'm just gonna turn these over. So over there, part of our sauce too, right? So just slide a little butter in there. Don't you wish your girl was hot like me? I don't know why that song is in my head. And more garlic. Garlic for the win. Cajun, parsley, Italian. A little bit of oregano and garlic. Right? So we're gonna let that. So now that that is cooking down like that. So for the sauce, 1 tablespoon is 3 carbs. We probably use 2 tablespoons, truthfully. Okay. That's 2 tablespoons. Let's turn our burn down. Then we're going to use our keto brown sugar. Swerve. We're going to use about a tablespoon of that. Then we are going to add some more Cajun seasoning to give it a little spice. Just a little bit. And we're going to mix this all together. Oh, I forgot to put my broccoli on, y'all. That's terrible. Let me mix this up and then I put my broccoli. It's on low because I want to let it kind of like caramelize a little bit so I can get really sticky. And then a couple of these. Just mix it all together. That's done. And then we got our broccoli on. Still probably fall apart. Ooh, it's falling apart. I'm sorry, y'all. I thought I recorded me putting broccoli on the plate, but I did not. So here is what my plate looks like. All right, here is the final result. So it's a sriracha teriyaki salmon, fish with cauliflower rice and broccoli. I just think I'm a chef out here. I mean, I don't know. I just feel like I should be a chef or something. So pretty. Almost too pretty to eat. So this is going to be my breakfast. slash lunch, because I guess I'm gonna skip lunch. So this is gonna be my breakfast slash lunch. Okay, you guys, so here is all of the stuff for my cocoa bar. I am just going to be setting up the cocoa stand, and I will let you guys see how it looks as I go along. And when I'm done, I'm so excited for this. I love doing this. This is one of my favorite things to do for Christmas.
Twice the size is me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. Making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy.
This is going to be the end of the video, you guys. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.